This is Shaun. Can you tell me, where is Shaun?
That's right, at the beach. Now let's try making a full sentence.
Shaun is at the beach. What is Shaun building?
That's right, a sand castle. Now let's try making a full sentence. Shaun is building a sand castle.
What is Shaun doing? That's right, he's swimming. Now, let's make a full sentence. Shaun is swimming at the beach. What is Shaun eating? That's right, ice cream. Now, let's make a full sentence. Shaun is eating ice cream. What is Shaun doing? That's right, fishing. Now, let's make a full sentence. Shaun is fishing at the beach. What did Shaun see? That's right, crabs. Now, let's make a full sentence. Shaun saw crabs at the beach. What did Shaun find? That's right, seashells. Now, let's make a full sentence. Shaun found seashells at the beach. Great job, Wonder Kids! Like and subscribe for more. Bye for now.